Hello! Welcome back to our channel. Where we simplify tech to make your life easier. Now let's get into today's tutorial. How to add an image in Google Sheets. First things first, make sure you have a web browser open. We're browser agnostic here, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. To initialize a new Google Sheet, just type sheet.new on your search bar. This will immediately open up a fresh new sheet. In the first cell, or A1, let's input the word product. And in B1, let's put image. We're setting up a simple product list where B column will be the place for product images. Now let's populate column A with a couple of product names. In cell A2, I'll type tablet, and in cell A3, phone. Now for the fun part, adding images. Click into cell B2, find Insert on the top menu and click it. Under that menu, you'll see Image from its submenu. Click Insert Image in Cell. At this point, a pop-up will appear inviting you to upload your image. Click on the blue Browse button and navigate to where your desired image is saved. On my end, I've got it right in the Downloads folder. I'll select the image of the tablet and voila, it's in the cell. You may notice the image size is smaller than expected. To enlarge it, you simply need to adjust the height of row 2 and the width of column B. Let's repeat the process, as we've got to do the same steps to add the image of the phone in cell B3. Now let's add our second image. Click on cell B3, our intended location for the phone image. Back up to the menu at the top. Let's find and click on Insert. Again, find Image in the drop-down menu, and in its submenu, you'll want to select Insert Image in Cell. This brings up a pop-up for uploading your image again. Click the blue Browse button again, and you'll be prompted to select an image from your computer. Select the appropriate image and get it uploaded. Now you'll notice that the image initially seems tiny within the cell again, but not to worry, we can adjust this. Just like we did before, stretch row 3 and column B to proportionally enlarge the image to your satisfaction. Congratulations, you've now successfully embedded a second image in your Google Sheet. Remember, this process can be repeated for all other images you'd like to add, making your documents interactive and visually appealing. We'll catch you in the next tutorial.